Monday and it's a warm day. Welcome to my channel, Lifestyles of Martha. It's all about my hair. You can see how healthy it looks. Trying to share with you my protein treatment. And when do you know that your hair needs a protein treatment? When you have split ends, when your hair is brittle, not
and also severe breakage of your hair. Yes, I know every day we must at least shed, but when you see that the shedding is too much, that means the call is on. You need a protein treatment. Soften your hair, removing dead cells from your scalp, and ensuring that your hair grows very well. That's why they say that when you do a protein treatment, it at the same time promotes hair growth. It even helps your hair to stay black. There are certain people whose hair is brown. You may be wondering why my hair is black. It's because I always and always do a protein treatment. But proteins have amino acids that are essential for strengthening your hair and promoting its growth.
effective and they help improve your hair. It may be the easiest thing that one can do to ensure that they have good and luscious hair.
The oil. Because I've been watching YouTube videos from people like the chick is natural, Napiro 8. Yeah, they do a purple and has involves aloe vera. I did have one, so I was like, I have my castor oil, I'll warm it up and I prepare my hair before shampooing. And that was so amazing. You'll see in this video how my hair was looking and how detangling it became so easy. Today I'll be sharing with you my DIY treatment. It's not very complicated. These are things that you have in your home. One of them are the eggs. I'll be using honey which you can use as sugar or use it on your bread. And then I'll be using my mayonnaise. You use mayonnaise every day for some of you who like it so much. And then my castor oil.
Castor oil for my hair growth, and I endeavor at least apply twice every day to my scalp, and I massage it in to stimulate hair growth. To office. It's Monday, by the way, and you know how Mondays are very crazy days. But because everyone on this channel is important, I had to squeeze in some time and do best. for my hair.
Given me thicker, long hair with volume. You can see for yourself. And it's strong. It's super moisturized. You can see that super moisturized hair, looking so beautiful.